before we get started, let's play a very simple game here, okay? I need 4 boys and 4 girls on the stage. 4 gentlemen, 4 ladies on the stage. Not the kids, not the kids, not the kids. Kids, right? Elders. Okay, 1, 2, come. Kids, we'll have it later. The elders, let's start with the elders here. Okay, girls on my left, boys on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I need 1 more gentleman, 1 more guy. Okay, so game बहुत ही सिंपल सा है. It's a tongue twister जो मैं आपको दूंगा. Alright? जो ये tongue twister को सबसे ज्यादा बार बोलेगा, वो मेरा विनर रहेगा. तो आपको easy tongue twister चाहिए या difficult वाला? देखना वही जो मेरे को चाहिए फिर भी. Okay, easy है. मेरी बात तो बड़ा मेरी बात तो better make the bitter better. Okay, अभी difficult वाला बोलता हूँ. Difficult वाले में सिर्फ 4 words है. First word is upper. Second word is roller, something which rolls. Roller. Third one is lower. Fourth one again is roller. Upper, lower, roller. Just 4 words है. Practice करिए. I'll give you 1 minute to practice and then we'll get started. Upper, roller, lower. आप सोचते हैं अगर आप इनसे ज़्यादा अच्छा कर सकते हैं, you're both welcome to come and join me on stage. Upper, roller, lower, roller. Upper, roller, lower, roller.